Hey guys, this is Rome with Rome Knows Tech. Today we're going to take a look at something a little bit different than the norm. This is an enclosure that I'm going to set up for my bearded dragon. I want you guys to see the dimensions of this. Now, this does have this little area here at the bottom that you can, use to open to let the water out if you decide to use this with like a reptile, say for instance, a turtle or something like that. Now, it comes with a number of components. So let me show you guys some of the pieces that come with it. So here's one of the pieces that is kind of like, it has a little hidey hole here. It has this climbing little platform here. It has a place where you can leave food, and everything just kind of snaps into place inside of this. So you can just kind of line these up and then just snap them in like so. And then that's going to be your first base platform for setting this up. Now it does come with, like I said, a few things. One of them is going to be the walls. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take out some of these plastic walls that go around the enclosure. And these are really simple to use. You're just going to slot them into the different grooves that you see along here. So these pretty much just go in like so, and you just drop those in. Now these will still have some space, for your cables and everything to come through if you're going to be adding some lights. So it comes with a it comes with this little water filter system so that you can provide, cool, fresh water for your reptile at all times. So that's really nice. We're going to use that as well. It comes with this little faux plant. Of course, you can add more plants to it as you want to. And it comes with a light fixture. So, most reptiles are going to need some type of light. So it comes with the actual fixture itself and the light bulb for it. So everything that you need pretty much in one box, guys. So here is our, and it has it listed here what you're going to get. So you have like a 25 watt volt or 25 watt light. Let's take that out and take a look. So here is our light that's going to fit inside of that accessory. So let's put this all together and take a look at what this is going to look like once we have everything completed. All right, let's go. Okay, so once you get this completely assembled, all of these little pieces, guys, will kind of fit together. They just kind of lock into place. So you just want to, just kind of finesse them just to get them perfect. But as you guys can see, we have the full enclosure walls installed. Now, the next things that you're going to install are going to be some of the other components, like, for instance, our water filtration system. Now, that's depending if you're going to actually use water. If you're not going to put water and you're not using a turtle, then you'll be able to just put like rocks or sand or something like that at the base, depending on what you want to put in here. So let's get this set up. As far as assembling the light, it's very simple. You're just going to screw the light bulb into this fixture here and just line that up like so until it's about snug. And then this portion of it here is just going to mount on. You have a little plastic bolt, and you're just going to kind of position this pretty much wherever you want it, or at a corner if you want to, because this is completely adjustable. So it just depends on how you're going to position that. But once you snug this down, and for the most part, this only needs to be hand tight, then you should be able to position your light, pretty much however you need it, based on how you're going to set up your habitat. And of course, it has a standard plug, and this plug has an on and off switch. All right, so let's get to the next part. All right, guys, so in a nutshell, this is what the habitat looks like. You're going to have an additional plug here for your water purification system. Now, this is if you're working with reptiles. In my case, it's a bearded dragon. So I probably would not use this as often because, of course, other than a few times dragons, swim, they're not, water-based reptiles. So they're not going to spend a lot of time in water. But, you could put sand or rocks or something like that at the base. You have this, basking area up here. Of course, you could add a few little things at the top, like if you wanted to add some faux shrubbery, some trees, some rocks, and things like that. And plus, they have this cute little hidey hole. So, if you're setting up a habitat for a turtle or a dragon or some other reptile, this could be an ideal little compact setup, very easy to assemble. So hopefully this is what you guys are looking for. Now, one of the other things that come with it really quickly is this little strainer. So if you are using, with water, you could put little small pebbles down there and then still put water in here. And then that way you'd have that really cool aesthetic. And you also have this little strainer that comes with it that you can use to, clean anything out that might be floating around in the water. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just wanted to put this little device together and show you guys how I'm going to be setting it up for, kind of a mobile space for my bearded dragon. She has a big habitat upstairs, but sometimes I might want to bring her downstairs, and this will still give her the flexibility of being in a warm and comfortable environment and something that she's familiar with. All right, guys, I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I am out.